Hello guys, welcome back. Once again, this is Adai. If you're new to my channel, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to try on, for the very first time, a do-it-at-home, do-it-yourself 10-day lash extensions from Moitié. This company was nice enough to send me some product and I am very excited to try it. Disclaimer before we continue, I have done extensive research on this company and I have spot tested the products included in this kit on myself already before doing this video. You want to make sure that before you apply anything on yourself, anything cosmetics, anything, you want to make sure that you do your research and also that you are well aware if you may or may not be allergic to any products in the kit. And based on the spot testing that I did, I feel comfortable enough to continue and try this. With that being said, if you want to see this try on 10-day lash extensions at home, then I suggest you guys to keep on watching. I want to show you what the kit that they sent me has. Here are the lashes, eye patches, curler, nano iconic mister. They have 3 different styles in their website. Along with the kit, they send you instructions. In their website, they also have a lash safety section where you read all the safety information that you may want to know before purchasing, before applying them. They have them here as well. And also they send you instructions. Let's read the instructions. Lashes must be completely dry and clean before application. Tip, we recommend to applying it in the morning to allow glue to cure during the day. They show you the product that you're going to use or that they're talking about. And I already made sure I cleaned my eyes. I do have a little bit of brow product, but that's totally fine. I'm not going to go nowhere near that area. You go ahead and curl your lashes. So they did send me a curler. I want to make sure I don't curl them too curly because I want to have a visible view to where I'm going to lay them off. Let's read the next step. After curling, turn your lash box outwards and use the left side for your left eye and the right side for your right eye. Okay, same like you would do with any other lashes. So here are the lashes. Let me show you guys. They also have eye patches, and this is for under eye lashes, so if anything they don't get stuck to the top lashes when the glue is drying. You want to make sure that you place it right where your bottom lashes are at. Since this feels a little bit weird, I'm going to only put one eye at a time. My main concern is the outer lashes because I have a lot of outer lashes and then they go downward. So if anything, I don't want these to get stuck together. I took the patch off for a little bit. Meanwhile, I prep everything because I have to admit with the patch on, since it is pressing on the bottom lashes, it feels weird. Prep, shake well the bottle. So this is the bottle. I already opened it. I'm going to place it on this portion. After that, start removing the lash segment from the tray using a tweezer. They did provide me with a tweezer. I have to admit it looks a little intimidating, but you just have to make sure to work with it carefully. Dip the bottom side of the lash band in the glue. Make sure to swipe off any excess along the tray. Let glue set for 5 seconds before placing on eyelashes. Not on your lid, but on the lashes close to the roots. Okay, I'm gonna leave it there for a couple seconds. Just like that. Let's continue. It's not sticking. Let me not leave it for too long then. I'll just go straight into applying it. That made my eye teary. I'm going to cut the last cluster that I have because I don't have enough room for this entire cluster, and I want to make sure that I am comfortable while wearing this for several days. No. I was initially going to place it in the inner corner, but I feel that it's perfect the way it is like that. If anything, I'm going to apply it on this area. Could have gone further out, but that was my personal bad judgment. So I'm going to go ahead and place the outer part. One eye. And I have to admit, it did take me a significant amount to apply one eye. I was being very, very cautious in order not to get it on my eyelid. Now I'm going to start on the second eye, making sure my lashes are nice and ready. I'm going to apply the patch. Once I've done the outer corner and I still feel uncomfortable, I'm just going to take the patch off and work my way. I'm only concerned about the outer corner for me. See how it goes with the left side? Because you know how on one side it comes out beautiful and then the other it's like, what happened?
Let's see how it is.
Whoa, it's giving me a hard time. Take 3 on the left side. I'm having a little difficulty applying it properly. There you go. Much better. I got glue on the tweezer. It did take some time. Since they are clusters, you want to make sure that they're aligned pretty well, or else it's just going to look a little bit of a messy, abstract lash application. Now that I'm done applying the lashes to both eyes, I'm going to use their Nano Mist. Once you're done with both eyes, wait 2 minutes and then use your Nano Mister to gently spray the top and the bottom of your lashes for 20 to 30 seconds. This helps cure the glue faster and it helps it last even longer. Oh, look at this. And I'm just going to make sure I do that as they say. This feels so nice. The mist is so nice. I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup and I'll be right back. So far, I'm digging these lashes. I'm done applying makeup. I like the fact that my makeup application was that much quicker. They look nice before I had makeup, but with makeup, I have to admit that it puts the whole look together. It just makes the lashes look that much better. Now I'm gonna do the blow dryer test, and I'm gonna bring my blow dryer and I'm gonna blow air to my lashes. Let me check, did they fly anywhere? Oh, they're there. They are still there. They are wind approved. I give you my thoughts in regards to my experience with Moitie Cosmetics and their 10-day lash extensions. First of all, I want to say that this was something different for me to try. I am a lash fanatic, so that's why I was very excited to try these 10-day lash extensions. As you could see, I did have a difficult time here and there when applying the clustered because I feel I didn't apply too much at a point, or at a point they dried up quickly. You do have to have some sort of ability to be able to place them aligned with each other. Since they are clustered, you do have to be well aware that they're not looking crooked or anything like that. I was a little skeptical at first. I was a little scared, but so far I'm really enjoying them, to be honest. I can't wait to, you know, take off my makeup and then the next morning just wake up with lashes. I'm very excited. I don't know, I'm just very excited of these lashes and see how they wear throughout these days. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these lashes for 10 days and give you guys my honest opinion of how they wear, how they feel. I'm also going to show you guys how I will remove them and that will be in a separate video. I don't want to make this video too long. I hope you liked this video, and I hope it was helpful. I hope it was informative. And if you like what you're seeing, give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel. And also make sure you press that notification bell in order to get notified every time I upload a new video. And with that being said, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.